so see here, very carefully understand the first important point. Okay, when you understand the first important point, automatically you will understand the definition of script include. Okay, so so far we seen two topics: how to get the values from server to client. Okay, one value you have is get reference. Okay, get reference will give you the value from server to client. Correct, Nama? The values are there in server, and the values you can get it to client and then use it. The direction is only one direction. Is that correct?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay, good. Even yesterday topic also, G scratchpad display business rule, the same way, correct? Can you able to pass something from client to server here in G scratchpad or display business rule? What is the meaning of this particular one is, okay. So let's say where we did it, RNG ticket, right? So in the RNG, very carefully understand, okay. When you load this form, okay, right, you are getting something and then setting here. So something is coming from server to client. Okay. Now, if I change this value, okay, Abraham Lincoln, right? If I change it, then can I send this value to server and then run some script and then get his uh, groups, then set his groups here. So it is something like once this is changed, send this value to server, use that value and run the script and then get the result and then get those results here to client. So that is something like, do we have anything called, okay, we need to pass the value from client to server and server to client. Do we have anything like this? This display business tool runs this way.
No, sir.
Can we be able to pass the value from client to server in display business tool?
No.
Everyone, you got this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Everyone, first time learners, can we able to pass the value from client to server?
No.
No. Correct. So this is where we have a big challenge and the only topic that we have in ServiceNow where it gives you bidirectional kind of communication. Client to server, server to client is script include. Okay. Script include is a very powerful topic. Very, very powerful topic. Very, very important topic. Okay. And right. The script include you can send the data from client to server and get the data from server to client and then use the data. This is the only topic that allows to send the data from client to server in these three. Correct now everyone? Yes, ma everyone, is that
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's frame one scenario, okay, to make this script include in a simplest way. Let's frame a scenario, okay. So what I will do is, okay, sir, if I want to get these persons groups, okay, I need to do something. Now, so that we will practice it. Okay. So getting the on change user. Okay. This is your assignment. Okay. Get groups of on change user and set. This is your assignment. You need to do. Okay. What I do is I will do the other way of doing it. Okay. Sir, understand my requirement, bro. Okay. You need to. We will say no. Initially, we will say, sir, how will I know that I need to use this particular topic? Correct. That is the first question, sir. I know business rules. I know everything. People will say like this. Sir, I know everything, sir. But I will always struggle to know which type of client script I need to select, sir. Which type of business rule I need to select, sir. Okay, then why what you know? If you don't know how to select each type, correct? You don't know the subject, right? Before we learn client scripts, we all in the same confusion. After learning and after practicing those many scenarios, now do we have that kind of scenario situation, ma? Everyone? Do you all have that situation where if any requirement comes, you don't know what type you need to select? Do you have that situation now?
No, sir.
No. Everyone? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, no. Then you can say I know client scripts. Correct? You are now I can agree like you all know client scripts because you don't have that problem. But people will claim, okay, sir, I know client scripts, but I always confuse. Then what do you know in client script? You don't know client scripts. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good. So similarly, right, very carefully see. My requirement is when I change the value of employee here, automatically the value should come and auto-populate it. It is happening already. Maybe if you observe it very carefully, see. Hmm. So I have employee name here. Okay. When I change this one, right? When I'm changing to Abraham Lincoln, right? So if I change to Abraham Lincoln, automatically Abraham Lincoln values are auto-populating. This guy doesn't have an email ID, I think, or we didn't set it. Okay, we didn't set it. So give me 1 second, ma. Let's set it that also. By the way, how we set it, ma?
Get reference
Hmm. Get reference, then dot work, and then
dot org.
hmm. Get reference. That, uh, which one? Auto-populate. Okay, that one line is missing. That line also I will write it. Get reference dot work. Okay, this is the answer. One second, ma. I'm just trying to get this one right. Email we didn't set it. That's why we are not getting the email. Gform set value of email equal to emp.em email. This is the one which we need to use it. Then email also will set it. Correct, Amma? Everyone, we know this one. We are experts in the get reference method and the dot work method. We already practiced it. Right, everyone? Can I say like this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Okay. Now see, all these three values should come here. Okay. So, Abraham, even manager is also there. Hmm. So for this, all the values are populating. Do you all see now? 4 lines of
Yes.
script. Okay. So
Yes.
this is very simple script and we all know how to write it. Okay. So the script can be written only if the type of field is reference field. Correct? If the
Yes,
type
sir.
of field is reference field, then get reference and dot work. Then only it will work. Correct, everyone?
Yes.
Hmm. Now let's do some drama. Okay. What drama I do is there is no reference field now. People will enter the valid email ID here. Okay, this is how it is. Please try to understand the requirement. Okay, it is simple, but if you understood the requirement, automatically everything is easy. Okay. Now I'll make this one like this, right? When people enter the email ID, then automatically the respective email ID related users manager first name last name, and if we have any other values also, those values should come. This is the requirement. Everyone understood the requirement?
Yes.
Yes. So now if this is the requirement, will this script works?
No.
Then what is the option alternative?
Script include.
Script include. Why, is there any other alternative?
No, sir.
Sorry, ma. Someone said something.
No,
Glide
sir.
agent.
No is the answer. No is one answer. Other answer? What is the other answer, ma? Do we have any other answers? Any options to do this? If this one won't work, just try based on your existing knowledge in client script. Just try. Any other options we have? I have email ID. People will enter this email on change of this field. Get the email related users manager first name last name and then set it here. Is the requirement. Is there any option to get this?
Script include and business rules, sir.
Okay. Script apart from script include any other option we have, ma? Just think and tell me. Everyone try. We have any option first? Yes, no. Only one person is there. Very good. Any other option you can try?
No, sir.
No, correct. Good. So see here, this particular script will not work in this case. Why is because this is only reference, get reference. Get reference is for reference field only. Okay, we don't work. Okay. Now what is the next option, sir? So very carefully see here. Okay, okay. In this one, the option is script include. Right. So I will tell you what is script include and all. So now first understand the requirement. Okay. So if I give you the email ID, okay, and if I ask the details of this person, first name, last name, and all. Okay, first let's write the scripts first. Hmm. So first name, last name, manager. These three I need it. Hmm. Okay, right. So if I give this, I have the email ID. What I have? I have email ID. What I need? First name, last name. Okay, manager. Right. So what is the script I need to write? Tell me. What script I need to write? I have email ID of the user table, and then I need the values of these three. What script I need to write?
Glide record.
Glide record.
Tell me the script. Where?
Where gr
Where
equal to new glide record of user table. Sys underscore users.
Next line.
gr
Gr
dot add
query.
query.
Hmm.
Email is equal to
Hmm.
email comma current dot you underscore email.
Hmm.
gr dot query. If gr dot next.
Okay. So somehow we need to get those values. Okay. Get. Okay. First name, last name. Okay. And manager. Correct, Nama? This is the code that we need to write. Everyone agree? Yes, everyone agree?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Now, whatever you get this one, okay, these values one you are getting it now. These values you need in one client script, okay, on change client script, because you need to get them and then set it now. So get these values and set here, okay. G form set value of manager, G form set value of first name, G form set value of last name. These three you need to set, correct?
Yes.
Everyone, till this point is clear, ma? 100%. Till this point clear? Please acknowledge, ma. This point is clear,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
First time learners? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, carefully see here. Okay. I need to execute this one now. Can I execute this script in client side? I am writing an on change client script to get the value and set the value. Can I able to execute this one in client side scripting?
No.
No.
No. Why is because client side scripting supports only client side APIs. That means gform, guser something. This is server side scripting, glide record. Okay. Sir, if I write it, will it work, sir? It will work. You can try it, it will work. But you should not write as per ServiceNow guidelines. Okay, we should not write glide record in client side scripting. Why is because when you are loading the form, when something is changed, then from here you are gliding and then querying and then getting and all, na, it will be very heavy load on the form. It will impact the user experience. Understanding it, ma? Everyone, yes? So the first best practice is don't write glide record or server side API scripting in client side scripting. Okay, we will discuss the best practices of scripting tomorrow class, not tomorrow, but next session. Okay, so now, okay, you understood, right? So this one you seen it, right? So this one you need to write somewhere in server side, but you need to use that value and then use that here in client. This is where your requirement is lied. Okay, and one more thing is, okay, when you are running the script now, you need to have this value. Right now I put it in a static way. Okay, but tomorrow, whatever the value you changed here, that value you need to pass here. Okay, this is what I told. You need to pass one value to server and get something to client. So what value you need to pass to server? This email value. What value you need from server? These three values. Correct? Understood, ma?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Okay. So see here, I'll just do okay script include and client script. Okay. So let me see. I think I already have it. Okay. I'll just explain it. Okay. It's very simple only. Okay. Don't scare me. Okay. Because this topic will make you scare, but it's very easy because we will understand it. Okay. Script include. And there is a lot of discussion in script include. Okay. I will just discuss it later. First, we will finish this part. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now, right, script include is a server-side script that we normally use for reusable purpose. Okay, and script include will not be created for any application scope or means any table scope. It will be global scope. That means anyone can use it. But if I, okay, let's say I have 1 lakh, I only, my family only can use. What I will do is I will I will somehow get some 10 lakhs, and then I will put it in a common place, and then I will tell, okay, this 10 lakhs is everyone's. Everyone can use it, right? Then in that case, I should not keep it in my house, correct? If it is everyone's money, then can I keep it in my house? I should not keep it, correct? I will keep it in a place where it is accessible to everyone, correct? Everyone, yes?
Yes.
Yes. So the script include is something like we create a server-side script and then we will keep it to make it available for global. Global means for everyone. We don't select a table here. This is the most important thing in scripting rule. First thing, generally any topic that you create for a table, either business rule, either client script, server-side script, any topic. Okay, but only the script include will not be touched for a table. It is global. So that means you create a script, you can use the script for from anywhere. We will see it, okay? We will understand it. What is the statement is, but it's a server-side script, and we can use the script from anywhere. This is the first dialog, okay? Now very carefully see the